A Big Joe Mafo official on YouTube. Na meka say already in videos no. Na or subscribe to our channel. Say be a videos no be a drop wa wonsa betimi can be straight away yanko yensem no so. Na enche bia na yin nanim say ye owura Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen resign free NPP mu. Na according to no say nkrofo bi age party na boso a niema ensem fatanko na omo ye nti ono de we move from the party etno ho 2024 elections here ebe opeso okujina content creator independent na independent now okujina the movement for change.
I wish to use this platform to announce that I'm honorably resigning with immediate effect. And I repeat, under the circumstances and given the context provided, I wish to use this platform to announce that I'm honorably resigning with immediate effect from the new patriotic party to contest for the high office of the President of the Republic of Ghana in the 2024 general elections as an independent presidential candidate. To actualize this goal, I will establish and lead a new movement for change in Ghana. The brand logo for the movement is the monarch butterfly, which politically symbolizes change and transformation.
Na sansa mwe bebe tu jano na eye ura ye freno say chairman sa bonsu and so I reacted to the issue say oh eye Alan Kyerematen semana organize say na resignation na why ne de enya de say hu bia this is not the first time why be na way back in 2008 and I said 2012 similar issues see a man resigning from the party. Enti we na aba no no de wogide say den ya papa no Alan Kyerematen be san sanadwen asan ba be dom NPP emanyuku no
Yesu Kristo me di n'echi se wunwan ye wo ha e ba kokra eyira wija aduokron na kohwehwe de wayira no yeah nti me gidi say there's still time and senior isi ya osasa na adwen no ebi bit masasa na adwen nti there's still time me I will still urge say empenifo ne nkasa nti say he's only a madman sabi who cannot change his mind. It is ye won't kwa say ye nene kasane be ya why not? Asane Yesu kan ye no. Say enwan wo ha no ba ko ira na ko hwe ba ko no. Na say wunya no a. Ene nche say wo a ko hwe no so ka yurem. Also ba na be protect 99 no. Yeah. What you see? Trust him can sim say more kakitu bi so be say more ni nyina no ati wona free I hope so and I still hope say Alan will change his mind.
Now ama ham fortunes 2024
oh ama look any day we have seen this before.